Hi, welcome to Something More. I am Swanan, and today we are going to unbox the new Apple MacBook Air with the M1 chip. I purchased this yesterday from a local Apple shop as it was not available before. Let's open the packaging. Here is the main box. It is a base version having 8 GB of unified memory and 256 GB storage. Now let's open the box. In the box, here we can find the new M1 MacBook Air on the top. Let's keep it aside for now and check rest box contents. A 2-meter USB-C charging cable, here is some basic how-to guide, and since it's a grey MacBook, we have grey Apple stickers. It is a space grey model. There are two more colors, silver and gold, but I like the space grey more. It also contains a 30-watt USB-C power adapter. Okay, let's keep all things aside and check the MacBook Air. It is very similar to the previous generation MacBook Air in the design. It has two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C port on the left for charging the MacBook and connecting different devices, and a 3.5mm jack on the right side. Let's compare it with my 2014 MacBook Pro. Here we can see that it has a less footprint even though the screen sizes are same. Here we can see the differences in the ports. Also now let's compare it with my 2019 16-inch MacBook Pro. Here also we can see that it has very less footprint as compared to a 16-inch. Okay, now let's boot it up. Until I set it up, here are some specifications of the MacBook Air. also has nice butterfly keyboard with normal function keys, which I am a fan of, and a Touch ID. So after setting it up, here we can see the 400 nits 13.3-inch display, and it's currently running Mac OS Big Sur. Let's also compare with my 2014 13-inch MacBook Pro. And also compare it with my 2019 16-inch MacBook Pro. Here also we can see that it has very less footprint as compared to a 16-inch. So that's it guys. Here is the M1 MacBook Air. I will be using this for the app development and video editing. Also will compare it with my other MacBooks. If you have any suggestions for the comparison, please let me know in the comments. You can find the links to buy this in the description. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. See you in my next video.